Hey guys, I'm Candace, the Edgy Veg.
Hi, I'm Molly, the Gen Z Veg.
And we are back with another taste test. We thought today it would be fun to blind taste different types of plant-based milks and just see which one's our favorite.
Yeah, I mean, we definitely have our routine milks that we always reach for, so I'm interested to maybe try some we haven't had in a while.
Yeah, and I feel like, exactly, like we kind of just go towards our favorites and then never shy away from that. Mm-hmm. So, I mean, there's a couple that I bought that I haven't had in like years. So I'm curious to see if like maybe we get something new out of this. So if you're new here, welcome, hi, hello. It's us. You can hit that subscribe button, it's just down there. You can hit the bell notification. If you like these taste test videos, leave us a comment in the comment section with what you want us to taste test next. What have we done? Cheese?
Ice cream,
chicken fingers. Yeah, let us know what you want. And if you like these taste test videos, just give the video a big thumbs up and then it tells us that you want more. And yeah, it helps the YouTube algorithm gods. All right, so we have laid out our milks. There's a bunch of different kinds. The one thing that we did try to do is get them all to be unsweetened. Right. And all of them are plain except for one because our grocery delivery got the wrong one.
So it's vanilla?
It's vanilla flavored. So we'll probably be able to tell right away, but I don't remember what type of milk it was.
Or which one it is.
So we've hidden the milks. They're in our little tasting ramekins, and I guess we'll just like go for it.
Sure, which one do you want to start with?
Let's start with one's closest to you.
Okay.
I mean, I think I already know what this is just based on the color.
Oh my god, the smell.
I don't know why
immediately coconut.
I can't smell still from when I got COVID, so I don't know why I'm trying to smell.
Oh, this one's warm.
It doesn't even taste like coconut.
Really? I really get coconut. Especially like in the aftertaste. Like it really sits coconut in your mouth.
I wonder if this is a COVID problem still. The fact that I can't taste the coconut in the coconut milk. Because I definitely can't smell it.
I can definitely smell it.
Like I was expecting it to be like smash my face with coconut, and it's not at all.
It's definitely mild.
Oh, okay. Yeah, there's that, you know that distinct coconut aftertaste? This is definitely a coconut milk.
Yeah, but I think that it's not canned coconut milk because that's pretty thick.
Yeah, this is really thin. It's very weak in color. It could be see-through. Just a little bit less fat, and I think that would be see-through. Yeah, I mean, it's good.
Yeah, it's tasty, but it definitely tastes coconutty, not like cow milk.
Yeah, so I think you definitely have to be very careful with your use case. This one is less white. Like that, the coconut was really, really white. So
I don't smell anything.
Okay, good. It's not just me then.
This is a weird flavor.
Watery.
It's not sweet at all. Like some of them have inherent sweetness, like the coconut and probably like oat milk.
Yeah.
This doesn't have any sweetness.
I feel like this is soy.
Yeah, I feel like this is soy also, but
it's like
neutral.
Yeah, it has, you know, that like nuttiness that soy has, which I actually love. It has like the aftertaste of that, but like no real flavor whatsoever.
Yeah, it's neutral for sure.
Yeah. I guess if you wanted to add milk that tasted like nothing, whatever this is might work.
Well, we use it a lot for that, but I would not drink this on its own, and I feel like even flavored, I wouldn't really like it.
Yeah, it's too weak. It's very thin. There's not enough like protein or fat in it. All right, for you. Okay, what's this one? That is thick.
Oh my god.
That is like 3 C's thick.
Is this one vanilla?
I don't know.
This is a bad time to do this because you still can't taste anything.
Well, I can taste things, just not nuance. This might be vanilla.
This is thick. This is like melted ice cream thick.
I'm kind of getting, yeah, I think this is the vanilla one. I'm also thinking it's probably nut-based, but not almond, because almond milk's really watery. So this might be like a cashew.
Yeah, I think this is cashew milk.
I mean, it's very thick. I like this. Would be good in cereal.
Oh, yeah, for sure.
Because it has that like richness that like traditional like cow milk would have. Not
like,
whole
almost
milk.
like coating your mouth with like.
This would also be really good in coffee if it didn't separate. I don't know how cashew is in coffee if it separates or not.
Yeah, like a hot chocolate or something like decadent and desserty. This would be it. Can you make whipped cream out of this?
I don't.
Cashew whipped cream?
I don't think so.
Oh, well, it would be tasty.
Yeah, I think that's definitely the cashew. All right, for you.
I don't think I've had, like even before I went vegan, just drinking cow milk on its own.
Yeah.
Since I was maybe 6.
See, we never did that in our house. My sister was lactose intolerant, so we just always had soy milk, but soy milk tasted very different back then. It was interesting. Not as nice as it is now. This looks thick. Oh, wow. That is a fatty nut base.
Yeah. Oh my God. What is this? Like,
Maybe the other one
hazel.
was not cashews. Maybe this one is cashews. Or like macadamia nut.
or oat, but like really thick.
Yeah.
Oh, it
actually,
might be macadamia. Do you have that?
I don't remember. I feel like I didn't buy that because I didn't get to the good grocery store.
It looks like it might have little specks in it. Do you want to I don't know if you can even tell. There's like little, like almost oat specks.
Maybe it's oat milk.
This is a thick oat milk.
It's also kind of sweet, so it could be oat milk too.
Not vanilla though.
No, that one's also off-white, which also tells me maybe oat or almond.
This one's gray.
Oh yeah.
I can't tell, like the colors of the bowls are probably changing them a little bit, but this milk looks really gray.
I love that I'm still trying to smell.
Oh my god, this one's delicious.
What is it?
This tastes sweetened, which makes me think that it might be oat milk.
Yeah, I'm also kind of getting like an almondy flavor.
And this one's really good.
This I would drink.
Mm-hmm. Tastes like cereal milk.
Like
a lot.
Yes, it does.
Like a lot.
Like if you have like a cereal that's not too sugary, the milk that's left over.
Like healthy cereal milk.
This would be nice with cookies. Because it's like, you always have the milk when you're done eating the cookie, so then you have to drink it or else it's wasteful. I'd be okay with this.
Yeah, this is really good.
This tastes expensive.
Like it's not in a carton.
And this is real gray. Or I guess
the last one.
Creamy. It's like beige. This is very beige.
Oh, this one smells sweet.
Does it? Oh, this is oat milk. This tastes like bread.
Yeah.
I don't, that sounds really gross, but I don't mean that in like a bad way.
It tastes like carbs.
Yeah. Yeah, it's also thick like oat milk and a little bit sweet.
So what was that one? Almond, maybe?
Maybe. Yeah, it's very oaty. Oaty?
I'm so glad that these are plant milks because I would absolutely be shitting.
The indigestion.
This episode is using cow milk, sponsored by Pepto-Bismol.
Since you've gone vegan, have you like accidentally like eaten dairy and then just been like half an hour been like, oh no, something's wrong? Yeah.
You get like a bubble gut.
It's like this big.
Yeah.
Louis like keels over and like cries. It's so painful if you like
accidental dairy is tricky.
Yeah. All right. Should we do a reveal? Oh yeah, we got to pick our favorite. So you go first.
I mean, obviously I would use them all for different purposes. I would never just be like a one plant milk kind of person just because like we cook so much. But I would go this blue cup thick one. I would go for sweets, and this I like for drinking. And this one probably for cooking because it's neutral. And the coconut milk for curry.
Yeah.
Coconut related.
Mine's not too far off from yours. So just like drinking, if I wanted like a glass of milk, I think I'd also do this black one. For cooking, this one as well. It was like neutral, but quite thick. Definitely has protein in it. And I think for something like, what did you say? Cooking, drinking, and with sweets?
Yeah, like you like to use for something sweet.
I don't know. You know what? I'm gonna go with a coffee.
Oh, good one.
Coffee. I do like this one for coffee. Yeah, I think this was the one that I liked. I think. Yeah, for coffee because it seemed like it had like a less separation. It like felt like it was higher protein. Oh wait, that's not the one. It was this one. That's the super thick one. That's the one. This one for coffee. We weren't that far off.
Okay. Yeah, we definitely knew coconut, soy, cashew, but I was not expecting this one to be oat milk necessarily.
Yeah, I thought these two were, because at first I said this one was cashew, and then I was like, actually, I think that might have been the cashew. This almond milk, so I don't like almond milk.
Yeah.
I don't buy it. I think it's too thin, too watery. It's bad for the environment. But this almond milk was amazing.
Yeah, that was a really good choice.
Yeah, I mean.
But it's probably expensive. So.
That brand is expensive. I think it's like $7 for one of those.
Yeah.
Whereas these are all kind of like in the, like this is like $2.50. I think that's around $3. And I think these are each like between like $3.99 and $4.50 here in Canada, in Toronto. If you're in a smaller town in Canada, it's probably a little bit less expensive. But like we both said, the cooking for the same one, and we use like soy milk in most of our cooking and baking. The drinking, I'm
surprised that I picked almond actually.
Yeah, same, because I don't like almond milk usually. Yeah, and then the coffee, I had said cashew.
No, you said you changed it to
Oh yes, oat, which also makes sense because I prefer oat milk in my coffee. What do you like? Because I know you don't drink coffee. Do you put like milk in your tea?
More of like a fruity tea. I'll drink an oat milk like latte,
Yeah.
like an oat milk whatever. I actually don't like almond milk in my coffee because the separation grosses me out.
Yeah.
And soy milk, I feel like it's really heavy in my coffee. And I think Starbucks offers coconut milk as well, but I haven't tried it.
Yeah, I find that coconut milk would be too thin though for coffee purposes, for me personally. Like in my coffees or like teas, if I'm having like a chai latte, my first choice is soy, just because of the high protein, so it's like very, very rich. Then oat, but again, oat's really rich. And then that's really all I have in my coffee, because I don't like almond milk normally. Yeah.
Oat, for sure.
Yeah, interesting. So I guess the title of this video is what is the best plant-based milk?
Yeah, they're all for different things though, that's not fair. But look, cow milk is one milk. It can only do as much as one milk can do. These can do an array of things. There's so many options, and if you're allergic to nuts, there's still like 3 milks on the table. That's amazing.
Plants are amazing and diverse. I mean, if I had to pick one out of all the milks that we have here and otherwise, I think oat milk might be my favorite because you can use it for multiple different things. It's a little bit sweet without the sugar, and I think it's the best for the environment.
I think if I had to be on a desert island with one milk, it would be soy, because you can't make your bechamel sauce without soy milk.
All
And
right.
I could not survive autumn and winter without that bechamel lasagna, to be honest.
You know, soy would have been a close second for me, or close. Yeah, they're usually tied. I only use soy and soy and oat in this house.
Yeah, but now maybe we'll be almond converters.
Still bad for the environment.
Okay, well,
You can.
in a plastic bottle.
In a plastic bottle too. Yeah, okay. So there you have it. Oat and soy are the best milks, according to us, and our opinions are very important.
Yep. Let us know what your favorite milks are in the comments, and if we didn't try one, I know we didn't try rice milk or pea milk.
Yeah, do you want us to do another one with like more elaborate milks? I also was thinking when I ordered these through grocery delivery, we could just try barista blends.
Oh, we can't try them in a coffee though, because then we'd be out of this universe.
Decaf?
Okay, yeah, fair.
All right. Yeah, so let us know in the comment section down below, and I can go to the special grocery store and get like some crazy different types of milks. And yeah, if you're new here, hit the subscribe button.
And we'll see you next week.
Bye.